I'm Matt Gelka in Washington, where President Trump's Justice Department is opening an investigation into former President Joe Biden's pardon power and the use of an autopen. The Justice Department plans on looking at some of former President Joe Biden's pardons during the last days of his presidency. Reuters reports the DOJ's investigation will center around whether Biden was competent and whether others were taking advantage of him through use of autopen or other means.
I think the autopen is going to become one of the great scandals of all time.
The president has made repeated unfounded claims about the use of an autopen to affix Biden's signature to policies he wasn't aware of, as questions about the former president's mental fitness have been amplified.
Americans saw with their own eyes a mentally incompetent president, and they want answers for that.
Just before Trump took office, Biden issued dozens of pardons and also preemptively pardoned some family members, including his brother James and his son Hunter, dating back to 2014. He was looking to shield them from politically motivated retribution. The investigation will focus on the family pardons, along with clemency granted to some death row inmates. The DOJ's investigation escalates the claims about Biden's mental fitness. DOJ pardon attorney Ed Martin said last month that pardons need to withstand scrutiny.
I happen to think the pardon power is plenary. If you use the auto pen for a pardon power, I don't think that that's necessarily a problem. But the question is, how did this happen?
A 2005 memo from the DOJ outlines that the use of an auto pen by a president is legal. Biden allies have dismissed claims that the former president was incapable of making his own decisions while in office.
There needs to be a record that they've told someone to use the auto pen. And if there's not a record of that, that creates a crisis for our government, and that's certainly fair game for DOJ to investigate.
Legal scholars agree that pardons can't be overturned if they're valid. The DOJ's investigation could get drawn out, and ultimately the courts may end up deciding just how far they can go. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Gelka.